CNSP stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether CNS Pharmaceuticals stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1-minute video till the end. Observing it, like, I'll be straight out with you, I just don't like the price, how unvolatile it is. You know, it's crazy. But if it broke the structure lower, I said like it's something that I'm looking to take lower. And yeah, that's my bias. I'm kind of bearish in this. This is obviously like by no means financial advice. It's just my own opinion. And I'm really curious to see if I have anything CNSP related. Not really. But yeah, like I also am taking into account the higher time frame bias at some point of the day. Like mainly like yesterday, it was Monday. We went up as much as like 30%, and then like it started becoming, you know, hype, and then slowly died down. But yeah, that's bearish market for me. All this only for now, not forever. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.